Good morning everyone. This is Amit Kumar, Math faculty, and I have been teaching in this field for the last 9 years. So today we will discuss very important topic that name is ranking. So before starting this topic, I am introduce about the sections of mental ability. Mental ability is the sections which give you the upper hand over those students who are also participating in the competitive exam. Okay, because reasoning and mathematics are the two sections which give you the average of 100% accuracy marks. No matter how well you prepare for the other sections, you might get 6 to 7 marks lesser than you expected just because of answers uncertainty. But in mathematics and reasoning you can make your score 100% marks. Okay, 100 means the accuracy and the average you can achieve at the 100%. Okay, so the advantage of these two sections are very important in any competitive exam. So we start with the fundamental skills of ranking. So ranking is the chapter which connected our day-to-day life also. Suppose if you take a test and in the result in come in the compilation form of, ठीक है, compilation form, and the result comes in and you found that there are two students, one get the first position and one get the last position. The student who get the highest marks, whose rank is the first, means very small value, okay, in the single digit. But the student who come last in the class, whose value is the larger. It means in ranking, larger value means larger number, we can say that larger value gives the smaller result, okay, and small value give larger result. So that's why the ranking is connected to our day-to-day life. This is very important chapter for mental ability also. There are so many types comes in these sections. We discuss step by step. So start with the very fundamental skills from type 1. Okay. So in ranking, I have take a question that in a line or in a queue, queue is also we can say queue is also a line. In a line or in a queue, the position of a candidate whose name is Ram is 7 from left side. It's 7 from left side. The position of Ram is left 7 from left side. Means our left hand is our left position and our right hand is our right position. Okay. And total number of students in this line are 30. So what will be the position of Ram from right side? So to calculate this value from the right side, means right position, you consider that the total value plus 1 and subtract the given value. Subtract the given value. You find the desired value, means the right value. So the answer is total plus 1 means 30 plus 1 minus the given value, that is 7, and the answer is 31 minus 7, that is 24. It means the position of Ram from right side is 24. So to analyze these questions, you have to make this total plus 1. So why we add one more value in the total value? So we add this one value just because of position of Ram we calculate from the left side and right side as well. Because the position of Ram you have to calculate 2 times and other candidate you have to count only single times, means only one candidate you have to count one more. So that's why we have to subtract the given value from total plus 1. Means if we subtract this value from 30, then we will get a different result that make this sequence wrong. So that's why we add 1 here. So I hope you will understand this topic, why we add 1 here. Okay. Now come to the next type that is also connected to the previous one, this one, and let's check how we can solve the next type. Okay. In the second type, the position of Ram, suppose the position of Ram is 15 from left. Okay, the position of Ram is 15 from left, and the position of Ram again from the right side is also given, that is 70. Suppose this position is 70. Okay, and you have to find the total number of values. Now the position of Ram is 15 from left and 17 from right side, and you have to find the total number of value. So the formula is to calculate the total value is left position plus right position and 1 subtract from there. In the previous sections we add 1 and in this sections we subtract 1. Why we subtract this 1? Because the position of Ram you have to calculate from left as well as right. Okay, so suppose if I have distributed this panel, okay, to every student present in this line, so I start distributing from left side, and I give this pen to the Ram, that is number is 15. Okay, so the 15 pen are distributed in the first day, and my pen are almost empty. Okay, all my pens are empty now. Now on the another day I come in the class and the position are sitting in the same position. The number of students are sit in the same manner as the previous day. So I start distributing our pen from the right position. Okay, and I again found that the position of Ram is 17 from the right. So the 17th number of pen holding by the Ram. Okay, in the next day. So total number of pen distributed by me is one more the total number of value of the students, because Ram getting 2 pen. Every student get 1 pen, but Ram get 2 pen. So that's why our total number of counting of pens is one more. So that's why the total number of result gives one higher value, and to make it accurate, we subtract 1 from the given result and find the value of the answer. So the total value is this 15 plus 17. Okay, 15 plus 17 are the total number of pen distributions, but the total number of students are 1 minus. The position of Ram you have to calculate 2 times, so 1 minus here. So the answer is 31. It means in this line total number of students is 31. Now we have to check this answer is correct or wrong. So you have to connect this type with the previous type, and you have to find that, suppose if I have a student whose position is 15 from left and total number of students 31, and I can make the position from the right side. So right position we can check this, that 31 plus 1, in the previous value we add plus 1. Okay, and given value we have to subtract from this the given data, that is 15. So that is 32, and 32 minus 15 is equal to 17, that is equal to the right position. It means our answer is correct. The right position is 17, and in these questions we find that the right position also 17. It means our answer is बिल्कुल क्या है हमारा accurate है. So that's why we can say that both type are connected to each other. So by the use of these two types, I just ask a single question to you, and this is a very important question for any Olympiad questions, for any competitive exam, and it comes many times. Okay. So the question is this: we have 3 candidates. First name is Mr. X. So Mr. X is a candidate. Mr. X is sitting 9th from left. Okay, and Mr. Y is sitting 8th from right in a line or in a queue, and Mr. Judd, third person whose name is Mr. Judd, is sit exactly between these two, exactly between these two, means Mr. X, between Mr. X and Mr. Y. So you have to find the total number of students. So to find total number of students, we can sit in minimum arrangement. Okay. So while we holding this, start this question, and the options are minimum arrangement में total number of students we have to calculate. So the options are A, B, C and D. A is 15, B is 12, C is 10 and D is 9. Okay. So we have two data given. One is 9 and second one is 8. One is 9 and second one is 8. So before starting this question, I just give the directly answer. I have two values, 1, 9 and 8. And the lower value is an even number. If lower value is an even number, and in minimum arrangement, total number of students I have to calculate. The total number of students in minimum arrangement, when the lower value is even, the answer is higher value plus 1, means total value is 10. It means the total value is 10. But if this value is an odd number, then the answer is directly 9. This is the trick, but we have to prove this trick. Okay. So start the questions from the very first line, that is Mr. X is 9 from the left. So Mr. X is 9 from left. It means this is the position of Mr. X, that is ninth from left. And the position of Mr. Y is 8th from right. So the in minimum arrangement, the position of Y we consider from the very last line, very last point. So from here, the Mr. X we consider one line before or one point before. Okay, from the right side. So this is the position of Mr. X, Mr. Y, that is 8th from right side. Now we consider the position of Mr. Z exactly between these two. But when the minimum arrangement and the lower value is even number, we can't make the exactly mid position between these two. Okay, in minimum arrangement, when the lower value is even number, if this value is an odd number, then we can make the mid value between these two data. But in case of even value, we can't make. Okay, just we have to check in this arrangement by making all the dials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, just 8 and 9. So there are total number of dials are 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this value, this we hold two positions, Mr. X and Mr. Y. Now we can't make the mid position between these two. Okay, so where we sit the position of Mr. Z, we can't make the position of Z here. Okay, there are three values there, there is three value here, we can't make the mid value. So in this type scenario, we can say that when the lower value is even number, we start the questions from one of the another point. Okay, we can't change very first point because this is the starting value, we can't make it a 0, but we can add this value one more here. Okay, so we start the position of Mr. Y not from this point, from this point. Okay, if we start from this point, the point of Mr. Y and before two point. Okay, so this is the point of Mr. Y that is connected in this line, and the position of Mr. Y from the right side, that is 8. Okay, now we can easily make the value of Z also. Z is sitting between Mr. X and Mr. Y. So this is the two value, this is the two value, this is the mid value of Mr. X and Mr. Y, and this is the position holding by the Z. And this Z value is placing is there, and the whole arrangement is now the whole arrangement is completed, and the total value in the minimum arrangement is the total value in minimum arrangement is just 9 plus 1, that is 10. Okay, 9 plus 1. So the answer is 10. So the trick is that when the value, lower value is even number, so the maximum value in the minimum arrangement is higher value plus 1. Okay, suppose in this question the data is different, that is suppose 90 and that is suppose 18. Okay, so the answer is again same, that is 90 plus 1, means total value is 90 plus 1 because lower value is an even number. Suppose I have the data that is 17. Okay, so the answer is direct 90. In this minimum arrangement, the total number of students, if lower value is an odd number, then direct it will give the result 90. Means this is the last value. This is not, we have to consider one more value here. Okay, so this is the trick. I hope you will understand this point. Very important and very conceptual part of this ranking. Okay, I hope you will understand. Thank you.